Good day, engineers, and welcome back to another calculator technique video for electronic circuits. In this video, we will be discussing the impedance of parallel AC circuit. So these are yung mahalagang formula na dapat nating tandaan for the impedance, especially yung X sub L and yung X sub C. So dito i-apply natin yung parallel concept ng AC circuit na sa pag-compute ng ating impedance. So siya is naka-reciprocal lamang. Sa halip na ina-add lang natin siya, dapat naka-reciprocal lahat ng component. Question 1. Find the impedance of the given parallel AC circuit. So, tandaan lang natin yung mga formula kanina, yung X sub L and yung X sub C. X sub L is equals to 2 pi F Li, and then yung X sub C is 1 all over 2 pi F Ci. So, ang F is 60, ang R is 250 ohms, 250, ayaw niya sumulat, ulitin ko lang. So, ang R is 250 ohms, 250 ohms, hertz. Then, ang ang L natin is 800 millihenry. Ang ating capacitance is 3.5 microfarad. So, pwede na tayong mag-calculator. Enter muna natin yung sa XL. So, siya is 2 pi times 60 times, ang L is 800 millihenry times I. So, equals, times I, sorry. Mali. Kasi di pa tayo nakaset ng complex ulit. So, 2 pi times 60 times 800 times 10 to the negative 3 times I. Okay, shift, store to A. Store mo sa A yung X sub L. X sub C naman, store mo sa B. So, 1 over 2 pi times F is 60 times C. 60 times C is 3.5 micro. So, times 10 to the negative 6. Tapos, i-multiply mo ng I equals, then shift, store to B. Then, para makuha yung ating parallel impedance sa AC circuit is 350. I-add mo lang lahat ng naka-reciprocal plus A ng naka-reciprocal plus B ng naka-reciprocal. I-reciprocal mo din lahat. I-close mo ng parenthesis, then reciprocal. Then press equals. Yan yung answer in rectangular form. Pero need natin is yung answer ng polar form para makuha natin yung mismong impedance niya. So shift 2, i-convert natin yung sa polar form. So 3, then press equals. Sasagot natin is 286.908 ohms. So that's it for this video, and kung meron kang questions, andito yung aking Gmail account and of course my official Facebook page.